Welcome to the LivePlan Schedule tool. This tool was created to keep you accountable. You can't actually grow your business or start your business if you don't implement the plan you've put together. So that's what this tool is all about. What are those 4 to 5 key milestones you want to accomplish just in the next year? You don't have to think about it more than 1 year at a time. You might be buying a new delivery van for your existing business, or you might be actually, opening the doors or leasing the building or needing to actually make renovations in a new space. All of those are milestones, and you should think about them in the context of when do you want it to happen? What's the due date and who's responsible for it? And once you do that and you get 4 or 5 of them in there, it'll make sure that your business is on track, and it'll keep you thinking about due dates and moving everything forward. So just jump in, get into the schedule tab, put a couple of milestones in there just to make sure that you move forward.